Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. Before starting my video, if you didn't subscribe my channel yet, please do, and do not forget to turn on notifications as I'm sharing great contents every day. Alright, in this video I'm going to create a crucial video for you, and I'm going to place it after just class lessons. Probably if you're watching this video, you finished watching the class lessons, and this lesson is going to be about namespaces, classes, and methods, how we can reach them between those items. So I forgot to mention about, and then I continue creating my video, so I will go back and I'm going to add a new branch starting from class lesson, and you will able to reach to switching that branch. Okay, let's continue now. I'm in development branch right now. Let's click the class lessons, right click on it, create a new branch, class edition, class editions. Yeah, it's okay. Let's create this branch. As you can see, we roll back to class edition section. Probably if you're watching this video, you are here right now. Okay, let's close our manager branch, and I will add a new solution for you. Add new project, and this time I'm going to create a .NET framework, and I'm going to show you why I'm creating this. Let's type it here, class edition, let's say edition lesson class. Okay, let's create this lesson. Perfect, and it is located beginning of our list. So let's have a look to between differences these two type program CS file. As you can see, in this .NET framework project we have namespace, class, and a method. And if you would like to run a method here, console write line test, it's typing in this method. Okay, let's set as start a project this section and start our project. Let's see the result. As you can see, oops, sorry, we need to add a console read line to stop being closed of our console. As you can see, we have test text here. Okay, perfect. Why I create this? I create this because I would like to show the difference between, let's open the initial one. It's much more clear page we have. There is namespace, there is class, there is method here, but it's hidden. You can consider this black page as inside of a method. Let's go back now. As you can see, if I type this to, if I would like to type this to this section, you can consider here inside of your method. Okay, perfect. Let's delete it now, and let's go back to our .NET Framework page. We don't okay, we don't need to make any changes here. Okay, it's all right. I'm gonna continue to tell you about the difference between class namespace and methods. Now let's create a class here which is called example, and I'm going to create a method here. Let's say method. Yep, and let's make them all public. I'm going to um, teach you about access modifiers, which these keywords are access modifiers, and it's define our class or methods or properties, the protection level. Okay, no problem at all. I will teach you everything in the future lessons. Just keep it them public, and let's make them reachable, because I need to reach them from our namespace, class, and method. Okay, let's start with the class. Can we reach our class and method from in a namespace? Let's have a look. Let's type here example. If you can see, when I type exam, there is nothing pure here, so it means that it must be a problem. But let's continue to finalize. But our compiler recognized the example class. Let's continue then. Let's give a name test and try to create a class. Here we go. We got an error here. A namespace cannot directly contain members of such as field, which is a field, methods, or statements. Let's try to create method here. We got another problem here. As you can see, we cannot create them all. We only create a class or a namespace inside of a namespace. We're just able to create. We cannot reach anything. We cannot do anything instead of creating a new namespace or a class. Let's create a new class here. New, oh, not new, sorry. Class, new class. And also we can able to create a namespace. New namespace. You can consider namespace a shelf, class a folder, method is a file. You can make a hierarchy in your head according to this statement, okay? So now I'm gonna delete this namespace. Just leave it. I'm gonna make a command line, okay? Let's try to reach those methods and classes in the class, okay? I'm gonna make those command line and let's come inside to the class. Let's now try to, let me do it again. When I type here, as you can see, our compiler helping us to find existing classes, which is we created this one. Let's click top and let's give a name test new example. As you can see, it's created. And now try to reach our method from here. As you can see, we cannot we're not able to use our object to use methods. So we cannot use methods in classes. We only able to create class methods inside of a class. Let's try to create a method. Void method in class. As you can see, we create our method, but we cannot use it inside our classes. We cannot reach the elements of any classes in another class. So if you would like to use this, the elements of class we should use in another method, test.method, for example. And also you can use here as well. But this is a static, which is another keyword I'm going to teach you to further lessons. Let's delete it for now. As you can see, test.method. If it's static, let's come back. We cannot reach the test again because this is static, this is not static. You can consider, you can keep it in your mind like this. Okay. So how can we add our classes in this static method? So we can create a new, let's call this test2, a new reference of our object. I'm gonna delete these two now, and we're able to reach our test2 now, just test2, because this is static. Right, perfect. So also we can, as you can see, be able to reach our class from another normal method. I'm gonna cut this one to see much more easily. As you can see, we can use this class and methods like this, or we can add inside here as well. Example, test free, new example, and test free dot method. As you can see, there is many way to reach in a class in a method class namespace. So it's going to be really crucial lesson for you. When it comes to the core application, it's a little bit tricky. Let me show you with a small explanation. When you create a class, right? Class. Let's say new class. If you type console write line here, this is your now how can I say, your static void main method. If you type here console write line test, you will get a problem because it's telling it's not top level statement must be processed namespace and time declarations. This is an automatic algorithm in our program CS file in core application. Now I understand why most people using .NET Framework application to show you the basic lessons, namespace class and the other thing. Alright, so I'm gonna continue with core because there is a lot of new additions. For example, if you remember, we have a switch case lesson. Let me have a look. String method loops, initial switch block. Let's go to switch block. And if you remember, we have a kind of this presentation and usage of our switch blocks. This is just able to use the core applications. You cannot use this in your .NET Framework. So I would like to show you every detail about core files. That's why I'm working in the first and in the core projects. Okay, let's close this one. I assume you understand everything. Now we go to initial. Now I'm gonna keep this as well. I'm gonna make those comments. Yeah, perfect. Let's save them all. Okay, I'm going to finish this lesson. Now I'm going to commit my changes. Class additions. Just say class additions, and I'm going to commit. We are in class additions. Let's commit all. All right, let's go to our Git branch. Manage branches. Let's see all together. Okay. Probably you won't see after you won't see this commit tree after this lesson. And when it comes to see this, you will able to your branches step by step. It will be really understandable. Don't worry about it. If you would like to see any changes, any codes in your repository, just switch to your branch to class additions and you will able to see your codes if you would like to clone my repository in the future. Okay, if you're just watching the videos, it won't be a problem. Okay, I'm going to finish this lesson here. Thank you very much for watching my videos, and if you like the video, I really appreciate it. It really motivates me to create new contents. And if you have any questions, don't forget to drop comments below the video. Take care of yourself. See you on the next lesson. Bye bye.